take a look at the B-Swish B-Charmed Classic Cock Ring. So this is the cock ring itself, and it comes with a vibrating removable bullet and a clitoral stimulator as well. This is great for beginners. It features a soft texture along with body-safe silicone, which makes it very comfortable and adaptable to any user. In addition, its super flexible design allows for easy and comfortable adjustments that you can enjoy a personalised massage experience. The massaging ring is waterproof and features a powerful removable bullet vibrator with 5 adjustable functions that you can use by pressing the button. When using the B-Charmed cock ring, we'd highly recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Always ensure the bullet vibrator has been removed during the cleaning process. For more information on the B-Swish B-Charmed Classic Cock Ring, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.